23 ABC's Digital Update is brought to you by West Medical.
Good evening, I'm Jessica Harrington. Here's what's making headlines around Kern County. Governor Newsom has announced a regional stay-at-home order that will be put into place as regional hospital capacity falls below 15%. Newsom said none of the regions currently meet the threshold for the new rules. When they do, the state will order them to close hair salons, barber shops, limit retail stores to 20% capacity, and allow restaurants to offer takeout and delivery only. The rules do not apply to school districts. You can read more about the order at turnto23.com. Now, Bakersfield Senator Shannon Grove is sharing her thoughts on the new orders that rolled out today. Grove said in a statement, quote, Governor Newsom continues to disrupt life as we know it without releasing the full data behind his decisions or showing the impact his actions are having on our lives. With all the changing guidelines over the last 9 months, evidence-based decision making has to become the standard and not the hodgepodge approach advanced by the governor. Now, Californians have a right to public health data that is being used to shape their lives, and the governor owes the state leadership that is committed to transparency and accountability. Taking a look at the latest coronavirus numbers reported today in Kern County, Public Health says 418 new cases of COVID-19 were reported today. That brings us to 43,355 total cases. Nearly 19,000 people have recovered from the virus. Turning to the deaths, Public Health says one more person has died because of the virus. This brings the death toll for the county to 452 since the pandemic started.
We've seen very dry, windy conditions all through Kern County today. Here's the look at the relative humidity for our afternoon. As low as 5% in Bakersfield. That is extremely dry air. Fire danger very high. Do have red flag warnings in effect through Friday, although the weather's not looking quite as bad for our Friday. Definitely cooler. That means less dry air as well. 65 your high in Bakersfield. We were in the 70s today. 63 at Jawbone Canyon. 59 in Tehachapi. So good news there. Unfortunately, it does look like our winds might come back later in the forecast. Monday into Tuesday, I could definitely see some strong winds returning, even into Thursday as well. Calmer for the weekend, though. In general, not looking like a bad weekend here in Kern County. 7-day forecast for our mountain communities again does show those winds returning Monday into Tuesday, and maybe the tiniest chance of a little bit of rain on Thursday.
That's your latest news and weather update. For the latest news anytime, be sure to log on to our website, turnto23.com.